In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 0x80070070 on your Windows Update error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. And simply select all of these options from here one by one. And then click on OK and click on delete files. And wait for the process to be done. Now, once done, consider restarting your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you're facing, and this will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow the on-screen instructions, and after running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the next method, right-click at the Start button, select Disk Management, maximize it, locate your Windows drive, okay? Locate your Windows drive and then make a right-click, go to Properties, click on the quota. Make sure that Enable Quota Management is not selected. If this is selected like that, just simply uncheck it, click on Apply, and click on OK, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.